Safety training seminars at 2000 Van Ness. We're on the corner of Van Ness and Jackson in the Medical Arts building. There's metered parking on the street, as well as a parking garage in the back of the building. Once you find parking, make your way to the front. Go through the glass doors. The elevators are going to be on your right side, and the stairwell is on the left. Safety training seminars is located on the 3rd floor. Once you make your way to the 3rd floor, safety training seminars is in suite 303. It's going to be straight ahead to the left. If you've taken the elevators, you'll exit the elevators, and it will be the suite on your left side. Enter the code here. Enter. There are 2 rooms and 4 stations. Log into any one of them, and then you can begin your RQI skill test.